Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can live chat or ask help or use chat support with Google. Here you can try to access chat support help support.google.com in order to fix your issue. So here you can describe your issue. For example, a lag. So you can enter. Here the answer is latency time needed a second for Google to receive transaction message response from your server to price updates. So if you do not satisfy, you can go back and you can describe your issue more details. For example, failed to update Chrome, then hit enter, and here the answer. And even you can click read more in order to get more detail. For example, like uninstall browser extension and apps, and check your browser, and so on. And if you don't satisfy, you can send feedback about the help center, or you can click chat support again in order to get more help. And here you can also try to ask the community. You can go back or just type ask help community Google. Now you can access Google account community. And here we go. Welcome to the Google account help community. Again, you can describe your issues, and this is a featured post. Maybe there are some article that can solve your problem here in the community guides, and you can choose the category and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.